How to set up a Gmail trigger. Zenphi allows you to be able to start a flow when an email arrives into your inbox. To be able to do so, all you have to do is click on Create New Flow, and you're going to select the email arrival trigger. This is going to create a flow that starts when an email arrives in a Gmail inbox. You're going to click on Create. You're going to see a red ring appear around the Gmail icon. And what we're going to do is create a new connection, which is going to grant Zenphi permission to be able to monitor your inbox. So after you do that, you're going to click on Authorize. And then you're going to be able to select from the options that you have here, which are the different connections that you've created. You should be able to see the email appear here. And then there's different actions that you may want to add to your flow afterward. Maybe you want to add a label to a specific email, or maybe create a draft. You may want to save the incoming attachments into your Google Drive, maybe into your Dropbox, maybe convert the HTML body into a PDF, and much more. There's different actions that you can choose from, and Zenphi allows you to be able to add as many actions as you want.